Standard accessibility magnifiers are heavy. They hijack your entire screen, overlay their own interfaces, and trap you in a separate viewing mode just to check a single tiny detail on your desktop. MagGlass takes the exact opposite approach. It is a transient hold-to-use utility. You press and hold a single hotkey, and a localized magnifying square pops up, tracking your cursor seamlessly at roughly 60 frames per second. The moment you release the key, the lens vanishes. You can grab this tool directly from the developer to follow along with this setup. Just head over to theautomator.com/MagGlass. By stripping away permanent windows and heavy interfaces, you get a clean lens exactly when you need it, and your normal desktop back the instant you don't. There is no complicated installer to run here. You simply extract the downloaded folder anywhere on your drive and double-click the executable to launch it immediately. To have it ready every time you log in, drop a shortcut to that executable directly into your Windows startup folder. Just press the Windows key plus R, type shell:startup, and drop the shortcut inside. Out of the box, it binds to Windows+Z. Hold to summon a magnifier, let go to hide. Tap Shift to lock the window in place. Press Escape to dismiss the window, or hit Ctrl+Escape to exit the utility entirely. That simple shift toggle turns a fleeting visual check into a stable reference image you can study, annotate, or screenshot at your own pace. By default, your audience cannot see the magnifier. If you are sharing your screen on Zoom, Teams, or recording in OBS, the lens remains completely invisible to the capture software. This happens because the utility leverages a specific Windows Display Affinity API to shield the window. It is the exact same mechanism enterprise applications use to hide sensitive data from screen shares, ensuring your private Zoom view doesn't interrupt your broadcast. To change this behavior for a live demonstration, right-click the magnifying glass icon down in your system tray and select MagGlass Preferences. Inside Preferences, check the box labeled Visible During Screen Sharing. This disables the API shield, exposing the zoomed content to your viewing audience. Making the window visible introduces a technical hurdle. If the magnifier captures the screen and the screen captures the magnifier, you trigger an infinite mirror tunnel. To solve this, the script automatically pushes the visible lens further away from your active cursor position. Because these capture flags are baked into the window itself, you must click Save. This tears down the existing lens and rebuilds it with your new broadcasting rules applied. Toggling that single checkbox lets you instantly transition from inspecting private desktop details to guiding a remote audience through a complex interface. When you share a magnified view over a compressed video stream, subtle details get lost. You need sharp, high-contrast indicators so your viewers know exactly where to look. The script paints a bright dot precisely at the center of the magnifier. This represents the true position of your mouse, giving your audience a clear spatial anchor inside the blown-up image. When you assign a specific hex code or pick a color for that dot, the script automatically applies that exact same color to the solid frame bordering the outside of the window. If you are recording against a busy or light background, dial the border thickness up to 4 or 6 pixels. This draws the viewer's eye straight to the magnified action. Magnification is calculated by stretching the source area into the final window dimension. To zoom closer, shrink the source. On a 4K monitor, the default feels small, so bump both window and source values up proportionally to maintain your preferred ratio. By locking your color indicators together and correctly balancing your source-to-window ratio, you ensure your viewers never lose track of the action, no matter how dense the user interface gets. You now have a custom-scaled, broadcast-ready magnification tool resting silently in your taskbar, requiring zero active window management. This setup is built specifically for running live software demonstrations, inspecting pixel-level design alignments, and reading microscopic text elements on high-density displays, deeply customizable and distributed safely under a Creative Commons license. Grab the folder and configure it for your own display at theautomator.com/MagGlass. Replacing clunky permanent software modes with fast on-demand tools is the most reliable way to strip the friction out of your digital communication.